Alright guys, here's another unboxing of a predatory plant seedling. Of course, because I cannot control myself when I see a Titan seedling. So this is Titan's Treason, Titan's Treason. I just love their mother plant, the truncata, who's nicknamed Titan. All of her stuff is so vigorous and so amazing. So every time I see a Titan offspring, I have to grab it. So again, just like before, you open it up and you see the pot and then all of this long fibered sphagnum. I prefer to use a different potting media, so I'm just going to take the long fibered sphagnum and put it to the side. And you just want to carefully open it. There she is, or he, whatever it is. And you can see it's just like nicely in the pot, doesn't move around at all. And then I love that it comes with its own little pot. And let's take a look. So tiny. Look at that. I think this is like the first release of this one, of Titanic Savior. This is going to look weird. Or sorry, I keep saying Titanic Savior. Titan's Treason. Titan's Treason, okay? So if you look here, it is truncata by tentaculata spotted. The tentaculata might not be pure. It might have some other stuff in it. But look at this. It is so cute. You can already see the tentaculata's like slanted pitcher opening. And gorgeous color even at this age. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it already. But you can already see like the slanted pitcher opening of the tentaculata, and it's gonna look so bizarre when it's an adult. The longer I keep Nepenthes, the more I want like the really weird stuff. And this is definitely a weird cross. So, okay, just gonna carefully get the plug out, refocus so you guys can see what's happening. Okay, here it is, Titan's Treason, which is tentaculata, but that might not be a pure species of tentaculata. And, oh my gosh, it's so tiny, guys. Look, here's my hand, and look how adorable it is. And like this perfect little pitcher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my potting media and just grab a handful and just kind of do my best to stuff it in to its pot without disturbing the root ball too much. Okay, just kind of, you know, I always just kind of stuff it in. Okay, looks like I might have too much, but we'll see. This thing is so tiny, I don't want to hurt it. It's okay if it's mounded up a little bit, it's not a big deal. And yeah, wow, this is itty bitty little thing. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that, that's fine. If it's up a little bit, that's totally fine, we'll grow into it. Ah, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna take it to the sink and give it a good rinse. But so tiny. Alright guys, here it is all watered up. You can see that the pitchers are kind of buried a little bit in the substrate. That's okay. In fact, a lot of baby Nepenthes do that. They'll kind of half put their pitchers into the ground, and that's totally fine. Makes them more of a like a pitfall trap. But this is the tiniest Nepenthes I have now. So cute. But the mother, again, that truncata that's named Titan, is an extremely vigorous seed parent, and this little guy is going to grow super fast, and I'm really looking forward to that really weird pitcher opening to develop even more. Like if you look on it, the tentaculatas have this very strange, like narrow slanted mouth, and you can already see that coming through even in this tiny, tiny size. So when you can start to see those kinds of characteristics at this age, you know it's going to look good in the parent or in the adult stage. So super excited to watch this little guy grow. I'm going to go ahead and bag it up so that it doesn't transpire and lose too much of its water while it is acclimating in the little greenhouse shelf, and we'll take a look at it later.